Hello and welcome to this lesson on malware. Malware is sometimes used as a blanket term for saying, hey, my computer's not working right, and is used interchangeably when referring to virus infections. Contrary to popular belief, not all malware is the same and has different characteristics that make them unique to their group. In this lesson, I will be explaining the different types of malware. First on the list is viruses. Viruses require user interaction to infect a computer. So for a virus to work, first the user must have it on their machine and click on it to run. The basic methods of a virus is to infect other files, which are then used to do the virus author's evil bidding. This type of infection requires user interaction. The next classification of malware are worms. The distinctive trait of the worm is that it self-replicates, meaning that it makes copies of itself. Once on the machine, it does not need user interaction to spread. A worm uses other programs or files to spread. This type of infection is not so common nowadays. Trojans. Trojans are more widespread. They pose as legitimate programs but contain malicious code. Popular transmission methods of this type of malware are email and infected websites. The most popular Trojan type is the fake antivirus program, which pops up and claims you're infected, then instructs you to run a program to clean your computer. Ransomware. Ransomware is a malicious program that encrypts your personal data, making it inaccessible to you without purchasing the decryption key. Ransomware can be prevented just like every other type of malware program, but once executed, it can be hard to reverse the damage without a good, validated backup. Fileless Malware. Fileless malware is a malware that doesn't directly use files or the file system. Instead, they exploit and spread in memory only or using other non-file OS objects such as registry keys, APIs, or scheduled tasks. Adware is an unwanted, potentially malicious advertising. A common adware program might redirect a user's browser search to look like a web page that contains other product promotions. Spyware is most often used by people who want to check on the computer activities of a loved one. Of course, in targeted attacks, criminals can use spyware to log the keystrokes of victims and gain access to passwords or intellectual property. All this can sound very scary and make you feel vulnerable to the countless cyber threats that are out there. But as long as you have Matic Super Shield, you are protected from all threats that are known and the ones to come. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.